The cost of flour is increased by 50p per kilogram. George can now buy 20 kilograms less flour than before with £200. Find the original price of 1 kilogram of flour. So if we let X be the original price of 1 kilogram of flour, we've got to find the X in this problem, then the new cost will be X plus 0.5, because it increases by 50p. We're going to work in pounds, so we have to make that 0.5 per 1 kilogram of flour. Right, so now the amount of flour in kilograms bought for £200. So before the increase, that will be 200, and we need to see how many times the X goes into that to find the amount of flour that we can actually buy when the price is X. After the increase, we still have the same amount of money, which is 200, but now the price has gone up, so we'll have to divide by X plus 0.5. So now we can form an equation. So we've got to have 200 over X, and then we know that the difference, so we need to subtract, is 200 over X plus 0.5 is going to be equal to 20. The 20 being the difference in weight of flour that can now be bought. Alright, well, now what we're going to do is solve this equation. So we form the equation, now we solve it. To solve it, well, to subtract fractions, you need a common denominator. So the common denominator is going to be X times X plus 0.5 by doing X times this. Now, because you've multiplied the X by X plus 0.5, you must also do the same for this 200. So we get 200 times X plus 0.5. And because you've multiplied this by X, this now has to be 200X. This is now equal to 20. Expanding the numerator, we're going to get 200X plus 100, 0.5 times 200, minus 200X. And then this denominator, because it's divided by, I can multiply it on this side, and that will remove it. So we're multiplying both sides by X times X plus 0.5. So we've got 20X, X plus 0.5. Now 200x minus 200x, they just cancel each other out. So on this side we now have 200. Expanding this side, we're going to have 20x squared, and then 20x times 0.5 is 10x. If we now take 100, we're going to have 20x squared plus 100x minus 100. And we notice that all of these are divisible by 10. So we'll divide everything through by 10. We're going to get that 0 is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 10. Now we either solve this using factorization, which is the easier method, or use the quadratic formula. So factorizing, we're going to have 2x times x. The factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So we're going to have 5 there and minus 2 there. So let's just check that. That will give me minus 10. That will give me plus 5 there, minus 4 there, which gives me the 1 in the middle. So either 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, which gives that x is actually a negative value. Well, we can't have a negative cost of a bag of flour, so it's just not possible. You should just acknowledge that. Or x minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives that x is equal to 2. So therefore, the original cost, which is what x was, the original price is £2 per kilogram. Okay, so this has been a video about taking a word problem, forming a quadratic equation, and then solving it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.